the top at 5 Venda Music Countdown. It's your girl Lulu here, and I'm not alone.
Yeah, it's your boy, your favorite guy, your boy Square, the big town owner. Here we're going to talk about Venda top 5 artists. So I'm with my colleague here. She will introduce you those artists.
Welcome to the top at 5 Venda Music Countdown. It's your girl Lulu here again, and today I'll be telling about the Venda music that's making the world go round. Firstly, we got Mizofil with the song The Thoughts. Guys, the song really went hard emotionally. So the song was released in 2021 through his album Now and Then. And the song made headlines on all the social media platforms, including Facebook and TikTok. Secondly, we got Razike with the Yamo Alpha. The song was also very hard to. So the song was released in 2019 and the music video was released in 2020. Then lastly, we saved the best for the last. We got Square Boy featuring Woodkid with the Summer Yomuti 2021 cover. The song, made headlines through the whole event. It was top. And the boys have this talent that shows this natural talent that improvises them with the creating from this Zulu version to this Venda version of the song. So we are truly expecting more from this.
But banji bazilelori zubuya but many people they don't know zubuya zukwamba mean zibos kwamba zimwe to zimposine zabo ngozi wana from God makhazini komubona the song is massive zubuya yokhawula na ngwana be woni to zibona if everything is massive. So here's the clip. Again, it's your boy. Loshumesa busiku lote ndisa koneta. Ndikombera bonus. Yeah, ndoni biara na mkosi uva hamashamba. I'm very proud uriba Venda. We are working at Koshuma. Lune, the song is nominated because it was a radio station international. So the girl she's working, Diko Ambezelor no. Shiko bana uriba Venda Koshuma. That's the video.
Loshumesa busiku lote ndisa koneta. You come better upon us. You come better upon us.
Okay, so guys, there's this song doing headlines, man. It's doing the most on social media platforms. Can the bonus track a top 5 in
Yo, I don't wanna talk about it. This song is massive. You know, oi fela vese amizo. Rizula rizibesheni, komona mona gushesheni, vese ndo bula ya hesheni, dokanda karede. Oh, hey, the song is doing things.
Muri utova malofani, chelete yonova malofani, diite nishi malofani.
The video is sponsored by Thavhani Guest House.
Yeah.